Hey guys, running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing great. And before we jump into the Walgreens matchups, we're going to talk really quickly about my favorite app, which is Fetch Rewards. Well, guys, I went grocery shopping and I got like 1,500 points for some cereal, some Pepsi, some cheese, some Suave. I mean, it's friggin' awesome. Basically, it's as easy as this, guys. Go to the App Store. Download the app, use my referral code right there on the screen. When you photograph your first receipt, it could be a pack of gum or an Egg McMuffin you bought. You're given 2,000 points, which is $2. Gift cards start around that $3 mark. And when you download the app, you can photograph I think it's like 14 or 15 receipts right off the bat. You'll be given all these extra points. It'll probably add up to a lot really quickly. And the beauty of this app is that gift cards start around the $3 or $5 mark. So you could probably be eating, Domino's or have a Dunkin' Donuts coffee later this afternoon if you wish. So if you're interested, download this app. It's really terrific. Like I was showing you at the beginning of the video, I went and bought a couple of things at Walmart and 1,500 points, nothing to sneeze at. Okay guys, so this preview is for the week of February the 28th to March the 6th. So it is a new month over at Walgreens. It is the month of March. So there's going to be a lot of new things going on with this flyer, and we're going to show some stuff to you guys. With the new month, let's not forget we have a new big book of savings, and there will also be a P&G in this weekend's newspaper. So if you get your paper on Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, whenever they might have that insert, if you love the P&G products, this might be the weekend to grab a couple. And again, we have a new big book of savings, so all brand new IVCs, and then monthly deals. What will they be? Will there be some freebies? We will find out sooner than later. Now, also, the monthly promotion over there is a buy two, get the third for free on cosmetics. So that's kind of nice. So for both cosmetic and nail and accessories and magic. So there you have that. And this also showed up in last week around Wednesday. So hopefully you can load this one right away. $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend $20. I saw a chintzier one, which was $3 back when you spend $20. And this is valid from the 28th to the 6th. So it starts on Sunday. And this is a spend booster, so you have to pay for the balance. So bills, debit card, credit card, do not use your Walgreens cash or you will not earn Walgreens cash for your purchase of $20. Okay, so this is the first little thing here. It says $5 of Walgreens cash when you buy 3 or more participating personal care products. That's quite interesting. So if you look at the toothpaste, that's the cheapest one on this bingo sheet. So we're going to go with that. There's going to be $2 digitals, plus in this weekend's P&G, there's this for the toothbrushes, and there's also a $2 for the Crest. So it's an either or. Let's go with toothbrushes because why not? Grabbing 3 of them, or if you want to get a mix and match, that's $11.97. Subtracting two $2 coupons from the March P&G, and then one $2 digital. You'll pay $5.97 out of pocket, get back your $5 of Walgreens cash, making it 97 cents for the 3 or 32 cents per product. If you wish to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance if you're doing this deal alone, please feel free to do so. Okay, so this is kind of weird. It's a register reward where you have to spend $12 to earn it. Now, it's weird because I'm wondering if it's going to be $6 of Walgreens cash and not the register reward, because the verbiage of this write-up is much different than any other offer with a register reward in this flyer. If you want to go onto Walgreens' website and read every single offer with register rewards, you will see what I'm talking about, because everything says buy, but this one says spend. Because it says spend, I'm going to say to put to pay with bills. So credit card, debit card, bills. Don't use your Walgreens cash to pay this down, even though it's a register reward offer. If it's in fact, for Walgreens cash, I don't want to chance it because this one's written up kind of bizarrely. So we also have a $2 coupon in the March P&G for toothpaste. And as you can see, the Crest Brilliant is part of that. Boom, it's right there in the photo. I hate to be like, look at the photo with a coupon, but there it is. Now, if you go over to IBOTTA, there's a $3 rebate for Crest Brilliant. So we're picking up 2 boxes of this, and at Walgreens, they're typically like $6.99 for each of them. So grabbing 2 of them, that's $13.98. Subtracting two $2 coupons from your March P&G, $4 off right there. You're left with paying $9.98 cash out of pocket. So bills, debit card, credit card, do not use your Walgreens cash, guys. You're supposed to get back a $6 register reward, and then you can make that $3 submission twice to IBOTTA, making this free plus a $2.02 money maker. Again, I know this one is quite a little bit goofy because of the register reward and how it's written up, but with IBOTTA and that $6 back, I think this could potentially be a really fantastic deal. I mean, free toothpaste like this, fantastic. Okay, the next deal that we have is with the Colgate Optic White $3.99. There'll be a 3 off of 2 digital coupon and then a $4 register reward when you buy 2. Wow. Isn't that one just so clear? So as you can see what I was describing in the last one, it doesn't make any sense. So I'm wondering if it's $6 of Walgreens cash. So anyhow, back to this deal. We're grabbing 2 of the toothpaste for $7.98, subtracting that 3 off of 2 digital coupon that you can load on Sunday. You're paying $4.98 out of pocket, getting back a $4 register reward, making it 98 cents for the 2. And if you wish to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance for this one, it is allowed. Okay, the next deal that we have is with the Listerine. $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend 10. Gosh, I'm in a special place with these deals back to back to back. This one you have to pay for the balance, so you can't use your Walgreens cash. Now, Listerine, I'm going to grab one larger one and one smaller one. So one of them will be $6.29. One is $4.19. That's $10.48. I'm going to use that $4 register reward that I got from the Colgate because there is no manufacturers right now for Listerine. You'll pay $6.48, bills, credit card, debit card. Don't use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance. And then you'll get back your $5 of Walgreens cash as you got 10 buckos of the Listerine. So how fantastic is that, especially if you need Listerine? Okay, the next deal that we have, nothing to do with dental care, guys, I promise. $2.99 for the Tide, Downy, these good products. And then when you buy 3, you get back a $3 register reward. Hopefully you guys can follow my lead with the verbiage of the register rewards, how they're so much different than that one. So it's just kind of throwing me a little bit for a loop. Okay, so grabbing 3 of the Downies, because that's a really great price point, $8.97. I would throw in a $4 register reward from Colgate or whatever you might have in your coupon binder from previous purchases, and then also throw in $5 of Walgreens cash. You're left with paying the tax and getting back a $3 register reward. And if you want to use Walgreens cash, if you're just doing this deal on its own, absolutely go for it. Now we have a little deal on Tide, Downy, the beads, and the bounce dryer sheets. Buy 3, get 1 for free. So we're grabbing 4, but only paying for 3. In the March P&G, we have these paper coupons. Also, there will probably be similar digitals on Sunday on your Walgreens account. So grabbing 4 of them, that's $14.97. Present 2 paper coupons from the March P&G, 1 digital for Tide Pods or the liquid. I would throw in $5 of Walgreens cash. Pay $3.97 out of pocket plus your tax for the 4 items, shaking it out to 99 cents each. If you wish to use your Walgreens cash, it's just a really smart use. I mean, Tide for 99 cents, it does not get any better than that. Now a quick little deal for parents out there, 2 for $18. There's going to be a 3 off of 2 digital showing up on Sunday morning and a $4 register reward when you buy 2 of these. So that's a great little dealio. But oh, it gets better. IBOTTA has $1.50 back for the different diapers. So whatever size you're looking for, if you need something specific, limit of 2 for most of them, or if you want to mix and match, if you want more rebates with IBOTTA. Grabbing 2 of them for $18, subtracting that 3 off of 2, you're left with paying $15 out of pocket, getting back your $4 register reward. Make that $1.50 submission twice to IBOTTA, so you're going to get back $3. It shakes it out to $8 for 2 or $4 per bag of diapers. If you wish to use your Walgreens cash, if you're doing this deal on its own, absolutely go for it. What a great little deal. Now let's talk about some razors. These $9.99 to $14.99, $4 register reward on your next purchase. and there's going to be a $3 digital coupon to accompany that. So how wonderful is that? And this is for the Gillette, so the dude razors, but women can use these razors as well. So grabbing one of these for $9.99, $3 digital's coming off. You're left with paying $6.99 out of pocket, getting back a $4 register reward, shaking this out to $2.99. If you wish to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, if you're just buying this guy on its own, absolutely go for it. Now these next two, I'm not going to do a write-up for it. Pretty basic stuff. So $3.99 for either the Irish Spring or the soft soap. And there's going to be a $2 digital coupon dropping it down to $1.99, so pretty self-explanatory. Load that digital coupon on Sunday morning. And if you're a fan of the Febreze line, 2 for $6, there's going to be a 3 off a 2 digital coupon starting on Sunday, dropping it down for 2 for $3, so basically shakes it out to $1.50 per product. Okay, guys, let's talk about some honorable mentions. The first is with the soda, 3 for $8.99 for the 7 Up, Dr. Pepper, Canada Dry, that sort of stuff. And then the Coke Pepsi is buy 2, get 1 for free. And Pepsi is part of Fetch Rewards. Photograph your receipt if you're buying that. And then we have the Doritos 2 for $6. There is a 3D Crunch Spicy Ranch. That looks very tempting to me. I might have to pick up a couple bags of that and see if it's actually 3D or not. That sounds like a good Sunday afternoon for me. But if you want to try these chips out, $3 a bag. And then these Walgreens, it's like a storage bag or sandwich bag. They are on a buy 1, get 2 for free. So basically the first one is $2.79, and then if you just $2.79 divided by 3, it's 93 cents for each. So that's not a bad little dealio. Especially if you're a home chef, you might go through a lot of these. We often use quite a few. So this is a really great price point, and I think it's quite comparable to like Ziploc or one of those sort of bags. Okay, the next little dealio that we have is with the Palmolive. These are kind of itty bitty, but if you need dish soap, this is not the worst price. 99 cents. There's going to be a quarter digital to load on Sunday, dropping it down to 74 cents. If you're trying to do a $20 basket, this might be the item that saves the day. And then the Lindt bunnies on a buy 1, get 1 free. And then these other Easter chocolates, 4 for $2. So it's basically 50 cents each. That's not the worst price. Okay, and just a mismatch of food, 2 for $6 for the oats, a BOGO free on the honey. The Folgers, $2.99. Those look kind of smaller, but, not the worst deal. And then the K-Cups for $3.99, great price point. And the Red Bull, $5.99, really good price point. 2 for $3 for the Coffee Mate. Get the cashier to scan that or load it digitally. And 2 for $5 for the Ocean Spray, really great price point for that. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.